Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Claude Code on Windows 11. But first you have to make sure that Git is installed on your system. So first I'm going to open the command prompt and check whether Git is installed or not. So type git dash dash version and press enter. So in my case, Git is already installed. If it is not installed, what you need to do is open Google search bar and type Git and then go to this particular link. Just open a new tab and look for install for Windows. Since I'm using Windows machine, then you will have to click here for downloads. After that, it will start the download process. After a while, it will be completed. I have already downloaded this file, so I'm going to double click this file. All you need to do is just click next and just follow the process. Click yes. In my case, it is already installed. You have to install and just click next and just follow the instructions and it will be installed. So I'm going to skip this process. And now once it is installed, what you can do is go to Google search bar again and then type Claude code Claude code doc. This is what you need to type, and then you have to go to this particular link, code.claude.com backslash docs. Go to this and go to the overview section. This is where you will go to the overview section, and all you need to do is just go down and you will have to select this. Either select this or select this command. So I'm going to open the PowerShell. So open PowerShell, type PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and then all you need to do is just copy this. So if you're using a command prompt, you're going to copy this command. So I will copy this particular command since I'm using the PowerShell. So just copy and paste and press enter. In my case, Git is already installed. So now it will be installed very quickly. It will take some time, but it will be installed. Just wait and be patient. So after taking some time, Claude Code is successfully installed in my C directory. So next I'm going to go to this particular directory. So go to C directory first, and then you have to go to users, and then you have to go to, this is the name of my user, go to this path and then go to dot local. So go to bin and you will see Claude is installed. So now I'm going to set the environment variable for my user Saad Qureshi. So I will go in the search and I will type environment system, edit the system environment variable. So go to environment variables and then you will have to go to the path and edit, and then you will have to add a new path over here, which is this one. Okay, now click OK. After that you will click OK. Now the system variable is set. Now is the time to close the Windows PowerShell. Just close the Windows PowerShell, and then you will open the PowerShell again. Open Windows PowerShell, and now is the time to type Claude, and then you will have to press enter and just wait. Look, it has been installed. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.